You look and no wine bibber, no tail bearer, no lunatic, no drugs addict, no crabbe, no crab louse. Brawling. You hear me say to your mama? Or that lady, or that woman, whatever category. And it cannot be woman, and it cannot be lady. That's some old big old crosses waist gal. So you not answer nobody. Me see one little dirty streggy, reggae, beggy. We under one drugs addict page. I say, oh, you end up in a video for such man, don't call no name. And because me go visit such man in a such place. I'm like, okay. No pride, no dignity, no decency. Okay? So baby, do mommy a favor. We can't no time pulse. Me love when they curse me rape victim daughter. So one dictator, one controlling freak. One man who wonder if my man or my woman in my body man in straight, in gain, leaning, twisting, bending, siding. No. Say, a year we turn millionaire from winner with 30. A long time we have money. Antigua people know it, and other people know it. Long time. Me tell my daughter I would never, right? Me say as God live it, as me live then to a rape victim. Me rat no wall. Yeah. People pitney were a rape victim. Curse people pitney will lie down in a grave and feel like a soda something here go. I don't care who talk about me nice. Memories don't live like people do. They always remember you, whether things be good or bad. It's just the memories. See, my daughter Havana. You play on yourself out of the game. Yeah, when you come, Vicky, we are going to laugh. Anybody we want to talk to. Because if I could have talked to Uno, that means I can't talk to everybody else. If me, Valin Williams, could have talked to Uno, it means me should have can talk to everybody else. Because the one and only person who never deserved no forgiveness was forgiven. A Uno man, I want to know. What take Uno? I want about Uno. And now you go to the distance, want to so lie, evil and wicked. Oh, my daughter end up in a foolish. Let me tell you now, I'm not afraid for talk. So who want to run out of morning, run out me and give every social media content. Come soon I write up now, now look pound, because I'm an idiot. Hey, some of you know, me not answer. T wait, baby, me I come just now. Mama soon come get you, Bobby. Just hold on. And I try to put out the narrative is true. Then all, me no mean some, me no mean few, me no mean two. All the other narrative what the person did put out there are true. So now what true now gonna believe this time? You think you're not gonna run up on me? Can me look like soft soak and weak fence? You go on here, man. Me and my dirty nasty pants. Me, Valin Williams, dirty lady V embrace. And start daughter down for have a little Twitch son. When me can't say my son a Twitch. Because if me did have a gay son, a kid you not, I would have come out here and say my son gay. How would I hug him? How would I rub his head? Or as a father, I will stand next to my son and be in my truth. Live in my truth. Me nah come out here and cuss at a gay person when me know say my pitney gay. Yeah. You think me could have come out here and call sponsor when me know say for my daughters? Nobody. When me say nobody, no mama, no rat, no cat, no fat, no bat, no sack, no lizard, no dog, no snake, no snitch, no bitch, no itch, no twitch. Kia! Make me shame my daughter. Don't throw them to the wolves and say, oh, they not live right. None of we not live right. The whole of we are lied. A sinner. If my daughter. Nobody. Make me go and like say. Me no love my baby girl. Me no love how she lives. She know that long time. Me can't embrace my crosses because I'm my own. I want to know. I want some boy and some girl and some fool waste people out in this. I want to know. What do you know, man? My daughter $100,000 when she posts on her social media. We don't fight for love and acceptance. Me and my people don't fight for love and acceptance. We love. Putus. Forget no forward. We know out here try to clear up the mess what we make. We know out here do no damage control. Because we never cause no harm. Yeah. We never cause no harm. Yeah. We never cause none damage. We never tell lie upon nobody. We never slander nobody mother name out of this. We never, ever come out here for nobody with fraud a chump. Forget $1 or $2 for maintain with addiction. Yes. Me telling you, you know. Me telling you. Hey! 2024 now send out the little lady V wanted to know it. Send out the your feet. My daughter is my daughter. You're fishing. Me nah look. Me nah look. Me nah look. I love my pitney. I don't care what me did say. Anything what me did say, me say it. And so what? Me a stand up on it and me a back it. Una bring everything what me did do and say. Everything. All I know. You Lorraine, you Festive, you Kingston 13, you Chit Chat, you hear me say? Who have me up for one reason? Go ahead. Who have me for one reason? Hey, I don't even know, you know. I don't even know all them something I hurt my spirit. How you gonna mix up the sister and play victim? How you gonna mix up we and then still a scandalize we? Me not mix your mama. Why am I making things in life? Certain things you not touch. My miscreant. You know how life's so funny? Me not fi talk to Lorraine. 13 not fi talk to Lorraine. We not fi deal with the enemies and Festive and them people. So how na deal with the woman? How na deal with that woman there? Una love somebody so much. Me and 13 do not like love on idol. The apple on eye, the ball in on the eye on the love them. Me and 13 no love it. Me and 13 no love it. So oh, we did so close. Oh, we did so tight and it wasn't a problem. It's strange. This is, we don't have to deal with certain type of people. But we're not ready to embrace people who do just like we wanted to do. Remember, I'm not telling a lie about nobody mother out here now. Yeah, I'm never telling no lie about nobody mother out here. Me never left no lasting stain when nothing can remove, you know. So whether my foot rotten or me other stuff rotten like this lady a foot or whatever, I'm a nasty cranny daughter over Twitter or whatever, yes. If me did talk to people from one place, yes. Maybe I shouldn't have, and I have no regrets that I speak to these people, because sometimes if you ever get to know the real people behind some of the fluff and the bluff and the something where you see out here, you're a shock. The piece of flesh, you know, the little piece of dead flesh in your bed at night time next to you, go and buy some one of them natural herbs, something there, and fix that. Me not have no family for fix. Miss, me not have no family for fix. Fix the halitosis breath where you have Marsha Thomas. Yeah. Fix the chlamydia where you have Marsha. Fix that. Yeah. Fix the multiple baby fathers them. Fix that. Marsha, me see you and me hold you. Marsha Thomas McCurry. I say you need to get off social media and fix your family. Yeah. Go fix the something when need the penicillin injection. Go fix that. Told everything. Get more evidence. Pack it up and prove on a case. Just do everything. Just line up the arrows, man. Stack on a book. Lady Vina like,